Understanding, forgive a debt, a simple guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, forgive a debt. This phrase is not only common in financial contexts but also in everyday conversations. We'll break down what it means and how you can use it in your daily English communication. Forgive a debt means to cancel or absolve someone from the responsibility of repaying a borrowed amount of money. When a debt is forgiven, the borrower is no longer obligated to repay it. This phrase can be used both literally, in financial situations, and metaphorically, in personal relationships or other contexts. In a financial context, forgiving a debt usually involves a formal agreement or decision. For instance, a bank might forgive a loan due to a borrower's financial hardship. Credit card companies sometimes forgive debts as part of a settlement. Beyond finances, forgive a debt can be used metaphorically. It means to release someone from an obligation or to pardon someone for a wrongdoing. Examples include, forgiving a friend who owed you a favor, using the phrase to express moving past a grudge or wrongdoing. Here's how you can incorporate forgive a debt in your conversations. The company decided to forgive the debt of its long-standing customers. I've forgiven the debt of past misunderstandings between us. I hope this video helps clarify the meaning and use of the phrase, forgive a debt. Whether you're discussing finances or expressing forgiveness in personal relationships, this phrase is a handy addition to your English vocabulary. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.